Look what I found. Do y'all know this cheese? It's Camembert. Why am I taking a selfie with cheese?
Bonjour y'all, I'm Miss K and this is Go Cuisine. Here we make cooking fun, easy, and adventurous. Let's dive in.
This is Brie's cousin, Camembert. This is not my favorite brand, but it's the one I could find. It's a soft rind cheese. You can eat the rind, but we're going to do something with this. We're going to bake it. So this summer in France, one of my favorite entrees to order, so like an appetizer, was a baked Camembert, and they actually baked it in its container. They usually come in a wood round container, and they would bake it in there with parchment, obviously not with the plastic, and then bring it to the table with charcuterie, and you could dip it in there. So that's what we're gonna make today. Just so you can see that it is close to Brie. So like you used to, these were wood, so you can still find some of these that are wood. This one's cardboard, and Brie is a lot like it. Okay, the inside of the Camembert is much creamier, and you know, the older these cheese get, the more creamy they get on the inside. But yeah, you can eat the rind. You can peel it off if you want to. I usually peel it off because I don't enjoy it, but they are edible. But you can see the inside. Okay, it's creamy. I don't want to cut into the Camembert because otherwise that will destroy what we're going to do with it. I'm going to be baking mine in this Brie baker. If you don't have one of these, just use a small pan, or you can wrap it in foil or parchment. It'll work just fine. I'm thinking a pie dish would probably work well. We're going to draw an X on the top of this and take out some of the crust. Not a lot. Dog snacks. The royal tasters are gathered. What, you thought they were gonna miss this? I also thought about just cutting the whole top of this off, but most of the recipes I've seen say to just cut out an X from the top. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is the hardest part of this recipe, I promise. So you can start to see the creamy texture in there. Et voila. Maybe a little bit more off of right here. This will be an excellent addition to your charcuterie board, or you can just dip potatoes in it, which is what I'm gonna do with it. Okay, so you can see a very rough X has been cut out. I'm gonna excise a little bit more. Like, I thought about just cutting it off like this, but you know, I'm following directions again for once. Has she learned her lesson? No, she has not. She has not. We're just gonna place this in here. And then you can do it as is, or we can season it up, which is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna drizzle in some olive oil. Not a lot, because I mean, it's cheese, guys. Just a little. It fell in the cross. Some fresh pepper. And a couple of sprigs of thyme. And then we're just gonna place that in a 350-degree oven, maybe 375, until it's nice and melty. So I'll cut a piece of Brie just so you can see the texture of it. Like I said, Camembert is pretty similar to this. It's a very soft cheese. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I really like making these videos for you, and I hope you enjoy them too. Let's check in on the royal tasters. So what do you think? I've never seen Jack spit cheese out before. Oh, quoi? I'm thinking with the holidays coming up, this is something you could prep in advance. It doesn't take a lot of time. And then voila. Night, night. And here we have it. It doesn't look like the one I had in France, but it's gonna be edible. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'm sure that wood box would have helped keep its shape, but you know what? We're still gonna eat this. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Will you be making this? What are you gonna be dipping in it? Check out this other video that YouTube picked out for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. Au revoir! Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to show your support.